3 simple steps to your first Rent-to-Rent 2.0 deal. On this video, I'm going to give you the simplest 3 steps you're going to find anywhere on the internet, anywhere full stop, to get your first rent-to-rent deal. If that sounds good, stay tuned. If you like my style, smash the subscribe button and stick a while. I like that rhymed, cool. So listen guys, a lot of you are overcomplicating this rent-to-rent game, and I want to simplify it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't think about it too much. Think about it too much, yeah? 3 things you need to do to get to rent-to-rent deals. 3 things, that's it. Thing number 1, you need to get leads. So whether that be making calls, sending emails, messages, open rents, gumpches, sending letters, okay, posting notes, telling everybody what you do, you've got to find a way to get leads. Second thing is, turn those leads into viewings. Now, top tip, a lot of people get a lead and try and sell them. That's a big mistake, okay? That's a big mistake. Don't try and sell the lead. All you're selling the lead is the viewing. Don't try and sell the lead, the concept of your offering. It's too soon. Get the lead. Second thing, arrange the viewing. Only thing you're doing is selling the viewing. Okay, and as I always say, less is more. Don't overshare. Go and do the viewing so you can build the know, like, and trust. And then the third and final thing is offers. Okay, you got to put in offers to get deals. You got to buy a lottery ticket to win. You got to be in the game to win. So don't just go out and view properties without offering. You should be offering on most of the deals. Do the figures as per my rent-to-rent calculator and then make an offer. So, number 1, get leads. Number 2, arrange viewings. Number 3, make offers. That's it. Now, don't get me wrong. You are going to need to get set up and compliant. But don't overthink this. I'll put my 12 steps checklist to setting up your Rent-to-Rent 2.0 business super quickly, ABC. And then obviously when you get your deal, there's the agreements and all that stuff that you're going to need to do. And if you need help, hit me up. I'll point you in the right direction. But simplify things. Don't overcomplicate it. And I promise you, you can get your first rent-to-rent deal within 30 days. No issues. Comment below. Let me know how long it took you to get your first rent-to-rent deal. Let me know if you're still struggling. Let me know at what stage you're at. I'd be more than happy to help. If you want to spend the day with me, hit the link below as well for my next Derby Discovery Day, where I share my portfolio, I go over the figures, we have some food and have a lovely time. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Introducing Creative Cashflow Plus, the first rent-to-rent app and leading platform dedicated to supporting you on your property journey. Ask the experts anything. Be held accountable so that you can smash your goals. Mastermind with other rent-to-rent specialists. Access our deal clinic to get your deals analysed by a pro. And unlock hours of videos and podcasts guaranteed to help you take your rent-to-rent business to the next level. Get the ongoing support that you deserve. Join us, Creative Cashflow Plus.